In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect 4 studio monitors to an audio interface. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to set up any sort of studio monitor that you have and connect it to an audio interface, specifically if you have 4 studio monitors. Now, the very first thing that I want to say is that for this video, I'm going to be using the Motu M4 as an example. The reason why I chose the Motu M4 is because it has 4 outputs, and in order to do this, you need to ensure that you have an audio interface with at least 4 audio outs. So you will be able to connect your studio monitors to your audio interface as long as it has 4 or more outputs. So basically, the outputs will be connected to the inputs on your monitor. There are some common audio interface types. You should do your own research and find out one that is best suited for you. And like I said, as an example, I'm going to choose the Motu M4. So all that you have to do is ensure that your audio interface has the enough outputs, like I mentioned, to accommodate the 4 monitors. Once you notice that it has the necessary amount of outs, you will be able to connect them. Primarily, this will be done with balanced cables, so usually XLR, but also TRS. So just choose the appropriate cable depending on your audio interface. And all that you have to do is plug one end of this cable into the studio monitor and then another one into the audio interface. Once you establish this connection using the proper cable, either XLR or TRS, they should be detected and you will be able to use them. You can open your audio interface's control panel or software if it exists, and in that you can set the output routing to match your monitor configuration. You can adjust the output levels to prevent clipping or distortion and configure it however you prefer. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect 4 studio monitors to audio interface. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.